New Jack Link's Dr. Pepper Beef Jerky. Made with 100% beef, 9 grams of protein per serving, inspired by the flavors of Dr. Pepper. Slow cooked with one-of-a-kind Dr. Pepper inspired flavors. Let's give this a try. So I've tried the meat stick version of this. Let's give this a try, the beef jerky. So I gotta take that poison pack out of there, but because I don't know why they always put these in there, but anyway. No added, I don't know what that is right there. No MSG, no 80 calories it says. Let's give this a try. Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here. So I wasn't a big fan of the meat stick Dr. Pepper that they released like a couple months ago. It was kind of disgusting, to be honest. It just didn't taste that good. I just thought it was, I don't know. It was okay. I actually found this at Walmart, like near the self-checkouts. I didn't see this anywhere else in Walmart. They just like put this in a hidden area, which is weird, but this was like $5, I think, for this, or $6 or something. This was expensive. So I hope this is worth it. Ugh. Let's take this out. Ugh, I don't like this. Tastes like cat food. I've never had cat food before, but that's what it smells like. Ugh. Ugh, that's gross. Definitely not worth it. Definitely think that they could have did a better flavor and not soda flavor, because this is really gross, to be honest. I'd give this, honestly, a 2 out of 10. It's not that good. Like I said, this was almost like $5-6, I think, or something like that. Maybe even almost $7. This isn't worth it, in my personal opinion. I just think that this is gross. I mean, I think like Dr. Pepper, like maybe cotton candy is like the most extreme that I would say is good, but this is just gross. Ugh. I think that they should just stick to the regular flavors that they have already. Because honestly, I don't see why anybody would try. Well, people might try this and they probably say the same reaction, that it's gross. So, 2 out of 10. I have to give it a 2 out of 10. It's not really that good, to be honest.